Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Bitrix24 CRM email inbox troubleshooting, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify the Bitrix24 CRM email inbox, start by logging into your Bitrix24 account. Navigate to the CRM section from the main dashboard. Locate and click on the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Select email from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add Email Account button to begin the verification process. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose the type of email account you are verifying. If it's a standard email provider, select the appropriate option from the list. For custom email servers, select Other and input your server settings manually. Enter your email account password in the provided field. Adjust the incoming and outgoing server settings as per your email provider's specifications. For IMAP, enter the incoming server details. For SMTP, fill in the outgoing server information. Make sure your port numbers are correct according to your email provider's guidelines. Enable SSL if your email provider requires it. Click on the Save button to store the email account settings. After saving, Bitrix24 will attempt to connect to your email account. If the connection is successful, you will receive a confirmation notification. If there's an error, review the entered email settings for accuracy. Double-check your email and password, ensuring there are no typos. Confirm the server addresses and port numbers match your email provider's recommendations. If the issue persists, consult your email provider for specific settings. Once the email inbox is verified, you can test sending a test email. Go back to the CRM settings and select the test option next to your email account. Input a recipient email address and click Send Test. Check the recipient's inbox to confirm the email has been received successfully. Monitor the email functionality within Bitrix24 to ensure ongoing performance. Should you experience any further issues, consult the Bitrix24 Help Center for additional troubleshooting resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.